Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add stickers to WhatsApp. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and what you're going to do, you're going to just find the WhatsApp and double check if there is a new update on WhatsApp, because you don't want to get in trouble, applying those steps. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just open up my WhatsApp manager or WhatsApp, WhatsApp chats. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and let's say for example, I'm going to enter this chat. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen and I'm going to go ahead to my photos. Basically, just swipe up, scroll up, and I'm going to find a photo that fits this as a sticker, basically. And let's say, for example, I'm going to go to this photo, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just hold right here, basically on the photo, and I'm going to just hold it right here. And basically, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and copy, right? I'm going to go back to my screen again, go ahead to your WhatsApp, and as we did before, we entered this chat, right? I'm going to just paste the media or the photo that I copied, and I'm going to just send it to that person. And as you can see, now it's been saved as a sticker on my WhatsApp automatically. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.